There's another question from the YouTube. The scenery. Can you open Peace TV Bangla in New Bangladesh? The question posed on the YouTube is, can you open Peace TV Bangla in New Bangladesh? Let me tell you that in the Peace TV network, the third Islamic satellite channel that we start after English, the English was launched in 2006 January, the Urdu was launched in June 2009, and Peace TV Bangla was launched in April 2011. The Bangla language is the sixth largest language in the world, but because the following of Bangladesh is more, we broke the queue, and the third satellite channel we launched was Peace TV Bangla in April 2011. But in 2016, as you may be aware, there was an attack in the city of Dhaka, and in the attack there were a few terrorists who killed 21 or 22 foreigners, and one of the terrorists happened to be a follower on my Facebook. That time my Facebook had about 14 million followers. One of the followers happened to be my fan. So when the Bangla newspaper said that one of the terrorists happened to be a fan of Dr. Zakir Naik, the Indian media took it out of context and said that the terrorist was inspired by Dr. Zakir Naik. A few days later, the Star, the newspaper that gave the article, they clarified, we never said Dr. Zakir Naik inspired the terrorist. We only said the terrorist was a fan. He was a follower of Dr. Zakir Naik. So the Indian media, purposely manipulated, and that's Indian media is known for that. And they started the onslaught on me, for which I had to do hijrah from India to Malaysia. And in 2016, late, when the controversy started and allegations started, the Indian government, the relationship of India and Bangladesh is very close. The Indian government forced the government of that time in 2016 to ban Peace TV. The Modi government banned Peace TV in India, and they forced the government to ban Peace TV. And we know that the previous government was run by Sheikh Hasina, was very close to India, and we find many injustices done with the support of the Indian government, mainly the BJP government, that is Narendra Modi. So the main instrumental person in stopping the Peace TV in Bangladesh was Modi. Now when will I restart? It hasn't stopped. Even though Peace TV, all the four channels, Peace TV English, Peace TV Urdu, Peace TV Bangla, Peace TV Chinese, are banned in India and Bangladesh. The only two countries where Peace TV is banned in the full world officially is India and Bangladesh. So all the news that you hear otherwise are all fake news. Officially only two countries are banned, India and Bangladesh, and even in Bangladesh it was because of the instructions of Narendra Modi. Now, but we did not stop the telecast. I had faith in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Though our flagship channel is Peace TV English, and the second is Urdu, then is Bangla, then is Chinese. I did not stop the transmission. Because Peace TV Bangla, more than 2/3 of the viewers are from Bangladesh, and 1/3 are from West Bengal, because the Bengali language is spoken mainly by the Bangladeshis, and even by a large portion of the Indians. So maybe 2/3 of the Bangla speaking are from Bangladesh, and 1/3 are from India, from Assam, from West Bengal, etc. Now after Peace TV was banned in India, yet many people have private dishes. According to one of the sellers of private dishes, he said more than 500,000 dishes of India he has sold alone in India. So totally how many have been sold, Allahu Alam. So if you have a private dish, you don't require the cable operator. So yet you can watch the Peace TV. So yet there are millions of people watching Peace TV in India, maybe even the same as in Bangladesh. Now coming to your question, that why don't I start Peace TV Bangla again? The Peace TV Bangla has not been stopped at all. It's yet there coming on the satellite. It's on IS-20, Intelsat 20, as well on Paksat. Both of them cover Bangladesh. So, yet the channel is continuing. Now my question is, when will people be able to see on the cable TV or on the satellite? Inshallah, very soon. As long as the new government is not close to India. If the new government form is again a puppet of the Indian government, then all the problems in Bangladesh will continue. So, if the new government formed in Bangladesh is not very close to Narendra Modi, then inshallah Peace TV will start very soon. And I have faith in the interim government and the new government, looking at how the things are going. Very soon, maybe in a few weeks' time, maybe in a few days, maybe in a few weeks, maximum few months, Peace TV Bangla inshallah will be restored. And I have got messages from people from Bangladesh who said that the application is already on the way, and the few channels which were Islamic, which was banned by Hasina government, will be restarted soon, and inshallah Peace TV will be one of them. So pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala so that we get sawab, so that we can spread the message of Islam in Bangladesh, but on the social media, mashallah, especially the Facebook, the YouTube and the other social media, mashallah, millions of Bangladeshis are taking advantage and benefiting from Peace TV and the social media. Inshallah, the Peace TV satellite channel 2 would be restored inshallah within a few days or a few weeks or a few months inshallah.